welcome. Please make sure you check it out. I have lots of tutorials and discussions about belly dancing. It'd be great to hear from you, so make sure you leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So today we are doing a fun accented shimmy walking traveling step. So if you're ever doing things like drum solos and you're thinking, oh, I'm not sure quite how to move from one place to another while the drums are going, this could be a really good move for you. So you might have seen the other week I did a tutorial on our walking hip flick, which is this one. Really nice. So today we are working this same move but bringing in our shimmy. So if you haven't seen that move, first check that out. I will link that below. Starting off with our good posture, feet apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, hands out, or wherever you like them for this one. Love to hear where you like to have your hands for this. And as we step out, we're bending one leg and then we're straightening it as we bring in. So the back leg is still trailing, still going along, but this time we're adding in a little shimmy on that front leg. So with this one, as I said, all the work is in the leg in the direction that you are going. So this leg is still kind of just trailing along. If you're doing this move really slowly, you might like to put a little bit of a shimmy on this one as well, but otherwise I find that most of the shimmy is on this leg. So if I'm breaking it down really, really slow, I'm bending that leg, I'm straightening, and then I'm shimmying on one leg as I bring that other leg in. I push off this leg, step out, bending, straight, and then straight into my shimmy. Out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy. Other way, out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy, out, shimmy. So you can see that I'm doing the hip flick still, but I'm doing the hip flick and then going straight into the shimmy. So as I flick over, I'm using that knee from bent to straight in the accent, but then I'm going straight into the shimmy. So as I said, hands for this one that I like, really nice to be to the side as well with the shimmy. Nice to come back as you do it as well. But let me know what else you would like to do for this one. I hope you've liked this tutorial. If you've enjoyed this move, please make sure you like this video. I'd love to hear from you right in the comments below. And as always, happy dancing.